Hey guys, welcome. And I just got done building my husband's closet all by myself. Yes, guys, I literally did this whole closet by myself. And why do I feel like this is even more prettier than my beauty space slash closet? Like, oh my goodness, this is so cute. So when you enter, this is the right side of the closet. It's so big. Like his closet is so big. I have a spare room as a closet by myself as well. It's also big, but I love how big this closet. I feel like he has more closet space for hanging and drawers than I do. I'm gonna definitely be using some of this space. Maybe the middle here, I use it and everything else would be for him. But yeah, guys, so I need to get more shelves for here. This is his shoe shelf. I also have some pull-outs so he can put more shoes there if he wants under the pants rack. But yeah, this is specifically gonna be for his shoes. And as you guys can see, I need more shelves for this big old space. But yeah, how cute is this, guys? Let me know how you guys like it. I love it. I have one of his pants there right now. But this is cute. Yeah, and he also have something for his watches. And you know, he doesn't have a lot of watches, but maybe a few of his watches and jewelry. He doesn't have a lot, so I just decided to do this. Maybe he probably have like 3 jewelries and probably 3 watches, but it's okay. I love this. Let me know how you guys love his closet because I absolutely love it. Okay, let me know, guys. Do you guys like it? What do you guys think? Woo! I'm so excited. It is 2 a.m. in the morning. He's not back yet from work, and I have been working on his closet since yesterday. I am finally done today. I have to put a door here because I want this space to be you know, one of those spaces that you can put a door at and hide some of the things that you don't want seen, you know, just to make it more appealing and presentable. But yeah, this one also is gonna have a door. So these two are going to have a door, and at the center here, I'm thinking of putting a mirror here for him. Even though he's not gonna use it, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll put a wall decor here, a very nice one, which is suitable for a closet. But maybe I'll put a mirror here. I don't know yet. But yeah, guys, that is it. What do you guys think? I am so happy that I did this for him. He's gonna be so excited when he comes back and see that I'm done. Except the doors that are left for those 2 frames. Yay! Excited! Can you guys see how huge this is? Literally big, like a bedroom. Yep.